So these are DD15 Generation 5 trainer motors. This is the console. This is the bread box. There's two of them right here. All right. Same over here. I want to show you here at the University of Arkansas Pulaski Tech, we had these have been here almost 2 years, okay, for 2 years. And we just lost our instructor. And the last semester wasn't worth the piss, to be honest with you. And so the new instructor came in. He was hired a week after we started school. He's a real good dude. But we still can't get in our CDX learning systems. Our books are not available. None of our classes are available. And those trainers right there alone are $76,000. You can go to Truck Techs and look up Detroit Trainer Motors, and they have an OEM price sheet. $76,000 a piece. So that's $160,000 sitting there. And get this, they've been sitting there 2 months, and here's all the testing equipment for them. Never opened. Yeah. Never opened any of it. We didn't know what this was because the last instructor didn't teach us nothing. That's all test equipment. ECU circuits, throttle positioning sensors, stuff that plugs into the breadboards, right? Along with, these are Cummins inline 6 motors from Megatech Corporation. Never used them. 2 of those. And these are coming in series motors, L-series motors. Still don't have no literature on them. I came here to learn. It pisses me off. And we got an instructor that wants to teach us, but he can't even get in his teaching stuff. All right? And better yet, the American taxpayers, the Arkansas taxpayers and the people that supply taxes and education paid for this. And when I contacted Freightliner Detroit Motor Company, I got a real shitty email about how I should go to some website and look up information and contact our local dealer, right? Which is in Little Rock. I can't call the name of the dealer. But we did contact that son of a bitch. We contacted everyone there. At Doggett Freightliner. Yeah. Can't get nobody to help us. So we've got over, I don't know, probably $300,000 worth of teaching aids that we have no manuals, have never been used, don't know how to use them, can't get nobody to help us. And better yet, can't get our textbooks turned on. Can't get the CDX learning system on for the new instructor. He just got a log on last week for his email. We've been in school for 3 weeks. Does that sound like that's eating? When we talk about Doge, when we talk about government corruption, when we talk about the misuse of the public's money and taxpayers' money of the great state of Arkansas, look no further than right off Highway I-30 at almost $5 million probably worth of stuff, none of it getting used. And get this, there's people that don't want to use it. There's students that want to use it. So anybody that's got any help with that, give me a holler, please. Anyone pissed off about it? You should be, because I ain't lying to you. I dedicated a year of my life to go to school to learn something about diesel trucks, and I have not learned a flying fucking thing at the University of Arkansas Pulaski Tech. But we're trying. Fluent English.